This is our 10-foot scaffolding tower package, and we sell everything that you see here and into one package, and it's a cheaper price than buying everything individually. And what we do is we use 2 sets of 5x5 double ladder Safeway style scaffolding frames, and we put this on 4 8-inch locking casters. So the height is actually going to be your platform height right there is going to be 10 feet 8 inches. And you can see the aluminum platforms. These are 7 foot by 19 inches wide aluminum platforms. And it's kind of hard to see, but they have locking mechanisms on them. You can see the little arm that comes out on each one, and it keeps them from coming up off the scaffolding frame. And this tower has also a diagonal reinforcement, which we call this a Gooser, and it just kind of keeps the tower steady. It keeps the frames aligned perpendicular to one another, and then the cross braces also add stability and strength to the platform. At the top we have a set of guardrails. So it's 4 guardrail posts, 4 7-foot guardrails on the long ends, and then on the short ends is 4 5-foot guardrails. And this tower is rated for 75 pounds per square foot. That's the rating on the aluminum platforms. And then the tower itself, the frames itself, actually stacked 3 high. This is a 2 high, but stacked 3 high will hold 33,000 pounds before failure. So if you want to find out more, you can visit swscaffolding.com.